Welcome to Linguista. This video is an installation guide on how to download Linguista on your iOS devices. At first, you would need an installation link. This application download link is available in the description of this video. Copy this link and open it in your browser, which is usually Safari in iOS devices. Once the tab is open, press the share button and scroll down till you see Add to Home Screen. Add your application to your home screen. By that, you have the application downloaded to your software. Open Linguista and enjoy the new world of education and fun. Again, welcome to Linguista.